What are
Isn't
you?
this exciting? I'm just standing here waiting for stuff to cook.
What are you making?
Butternut squash, chicken sausage. Well, it's actually veggie sausage, and spinach, quinoa, skillet.
Yeah. So in place of the chicken sausage, we're using Beyond Meat sausage, and in place of the kale that
Italian
it's called
sausage
for,
would be good.
yeah, and in place of the kale that the recipe calls for, we're using spinach. So
Kale.
we have a little induction stovetop. We have quinoa sitting here absorbing whatever it's supposed to absorb. And we have a little drawer here with tons of spices.
And a little tiny
A
thing.
little
of olive
tiny
oil.
thing of olive oil. Isn't that cute? So,
Isn't that exciting? Oh,
This-
Nina, get out of the sausage.
this is life in the little camper.